Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be teaching you how to use the layer tool or the layer fade out tool. All right, so let's begin. So let's open up a brand new page, and then what we're going to do is to import an image. So to import an image, let's go to File, let's go to Import, let's go to Image, and I am going to import one of my images right now. So with the image imported, I'm going to scale it down to size to fit the page, to fit the layer opened. So with the picture imported, you're going to have to go to the right hand side of the toolbar and the layer where we've imported the picture. What we're going to have to do is to click on this icon image here, which says create layer mask right here. And then let's create a layer mask. With the layer mask created, what we're going to have to do is I just want to create that fade out effects right now. So to create this effect, I'm going to simply have to go to the left hand side of the toolbar and select the eraser tool. With the eraser tool selected, we're going to have to select the soft eraser tool. With the soft eraser tool selected, you can pick any size of your choice. So I have selected 800 because the image is really large. So what I'm going to have to do is to simply apply gentle strokes to create that kind of like movie poster effects right now. Now, if you're not happy with this image and you want to redo this, you simply go to the left hand side of the toolbar and select the pen tool. With the pen tool selected, simply apply your strokes and it takes away, the fade out tool. So I want to redo this again. So let's simply go to the left hand side of the toolbar and let's select eraser tool. Make sure you select soft eraser and you simply apply your strokes like this. There you have it. This is how to create your gradients, fade outs effects in Clip Studio Paint. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will bring you more tips and tricks. Okay? Take care. Bye.